Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use gel medium for collage. First, gather your essential materials, various papers, sharp scissors, and a clean, flat brush. Next, select a sturdy base for your artwork, such as a wooden panel or thick cardstock. Finally, choose a high-quality gel medium that promises a clear, flexible finish. This preparation ensures a smooth and lasting collage experience, setting the foundation for your creative project. Now, let's apply the gel. Using your brush, spread a thin, even layer of gel medium directly onto your chosen surface. Work quickly, as some gel mediums can begin to set in just a few minutes. Carefully place your paper cutouts onto the wet gel, arranging them as desired. Then, gently smooth each piece from its center outwards to remove any trapped air bubbles, ensuring a flat adhesion. Once your collage elements are in place, it's time to seal them. Apply another thin, even layer of gel medium over the entire surface of your artwork, making sure to cover all paper edges completely. This top coat acts as a protective varnish, securing your pieces and providing a uniform finish. Allow your finished collage to dry flat for at least 24 hours to ensure full curing and durability. For the best results, remember a few key tips. Always use a small amount of gel medium. Too much can cause wrinkling or a cloudy finish. Work efficiently, as the medium can dry quite quickly, especially in warmer environments. Don't be afraid to experiment with various paper types, from thin tissue to thicker cardstock, to achieve unique textures and visual interest in your collages. Enjoy the creative process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.